Hello, I'm Bruce and welcome back. Today I want to go over how chalking in your paint finish is caused, how to repair it and how to prevent it from happening in the first place. Chalking, or otherwise known as fading or weathering, is when a chalky white appearance is visible on the surface of the paint film, and this occurs particularly when using epoxy coatings as a finish coat. Chalking occurs when the pigment is no longer held and protected by the binder in the coating, which then results in a powder-like surface and a lack of gloss. This is usually caused by a number of reasons, including excessive use of mist or fog coats when applying single stage finishes, natural weathering of the paint film over time from UV radiation which will degrade the binder, or using a generic thinner or hardener in the paint material. To repair the chalking, it is best to sand the chalked paint film and refinish as required, or alternatively you can compound it to remove any oxidation then polish to restore the gloss. But the ultimate long-term solution would be to overcoat the epoxy with an alkyd or polyurethane top coat. This is an approved coating system. We would never recommend leaving an epoxy finish to be exposed to the elements. Epoxies certainly have their place in being surface tolerant. This enables them to be excellent primers and mid-coats. They're always integral to a paint spec where longevity is looked for. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you.